Hi, so today I've been waiting for this package for so long and I finally got it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we have the box inside here. So we'll just pull this out real quick. There we go. Got the box. That's what it looks like. So let's open it. So first we got a card. It says, "More self-care, less stress. Congratulations. We hope you enjoyed this self-care toolkit designed to help you implement simple, sustainable self-care practice into your life. Everything in your box is designed to work together with the relaxing guide audio lessons in your Resilience app. Each person is different, so our lessons are personalized just for you based on a short assessment. The benefits of the self-care include improved productivity, better emotional and physical health, increased energy, and the resilience to deal with stress. Stress is a part of life, but everyone can learn coping skills and healthy ways to manage it. Our toolkit makes it easy." To get started, visit resiliencehealth.com/selfcare. To learn how to use the tools in your box, complete your assessment. Download the Resilience Health mobile app for iOS and Android. Dive into the content of your box and enjoy your guides lesson. So first, I guess we have this book. It says Finding Your Path, a guide to life and happiness after school. And then the back says Finding Your Path seeks to offer support and inspiration through the major transitions from school to adulthood. The chapters explore various pathways, including work, study, and traveling, by outlining their benefits so you can actively contemplate your options and make informed decisions. The focus is trusting oneself in order to create a path of integrity and happiness. The author is Amber Brown. So that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to read that. Next we have a Hydro Flask sticker. It says breathe deeply. So I'll have to put that on my Hydro Flask. Next up we have another sticker that says just breathe. I'm going to put that on my Hydro Flask as well. So next I see are these empowerment cards, which are like yogas with information on them. So I'll pull one out so you guys can see. This one says, I deserve love, compassion, and empathy. And it says to do the cat pose. So that's what you would do on the card. And then there's like tons of different cards here. This whole stack of them that you can pick and that you do different poses, and it has different sayings on it. So that's really cool. So next thing, when I dive into the book, I see this Pura Vida bracelet. So let's see what it looks like. So it's this very cool blue bracelet that I'll put on shortly after I'm done. So put that back in the bag. That's very cool. Just a little bracelet. Next thing I see is this. Wow, it smells like lavender. I think you're supposed to put it over your eyes while you're doing Resilience. But it's really cool how it smells like lavender. That's really cool. And then let's move right on to the next thing in here. The next thing that I see is this putty, actually, which looks really cool. So I'll take it out to show you. So basically, you just squeeze it. This smells too. It smells like lavender, and you can just move it around, and it kind of makes your hands smell like lavender, which is really fun. It's great for stress. Really cool. So let's move on right into our next thing. So our next thing is this roller ball. So let's see how this works. So it's this like roller ball, So I'm gonna roll it out on my arm right here. It feels really good and it smells very nice. So definitely good if you need to go to school and you're stressed about something. Definitely good. So just to review what we got, we have this card that we can go to the app and do some facilities while we're using our eye pillow, our putty. Could be wearing our bracelet. Could be put on the roller here. And then we have this book that we can read after we're done doing a facility or after school. And then we have these cards for if you're feeling a little bit more energetic and you want to do yoga pose. So very cool box. Nice. And then we also have the stickers. Very cool. Very neat. I'm so glad this came. I was very excited. So bye.